Hello everyone, my name is Anna and I'm Senior Flight Training Consultant in Flying Academy. Every day I'm helping future pilots to choose their path on the way to their dream. And today I will explain you step by step how and what you need to do. First thing first, what type of license you need to choose? There are several types and each of them depends on region or country where you will get your training. Our students are getting EASA, which is European certification, and FAA, which is United States certification. Those two are the most demanded by big international airlines and easy to convert to any other. Second thing, you need to decide whether it's going to be your hobby or you want to make a professional career in aviation. This decision will help you to understand how much time and funds you need to invest in your flight training. For example, training for private pilot can take 6 weeks. Training for airline pilot can take 14 months. It works the same way with your money that you're gonna spend on your training. Now you're getting to the point where you need to choose the type of course that suits your goals the most. The journey to the pilot cockpit seems like a video game, where each completed course will take you to the next level. So there are PPL, IR, ATPL, CPL, MCC, GOC. But don't get confused. All this will make more sense for you as soon as you will get deeper in the amazing world of aviation. Don't hesitate to contact us and we will be happy to help you anytime. So let's go for it with Flying Academy.